Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. Today I want to talk you about the checkbox in the Android Studio. So it is a different type of component. It is like a button, but it can have two positions like checked or unchecked. It is often used in the Android apps like surveys or note taking apps or something like that. So let's try to do this one. So for this one, if you want, you can create a new project. But here, what I would be trying to do it is I will delete this all the things. Okay, so I don't want to use these all the things. So just I want to change this one to the what I mean to say in the design view. Here let's go to our code view, and here I will change it to the constraint layout. So constraint layout also I am changing it, and here if you go here, I will remove this entire text view and all those things. So I don't want to use these things. So fine, so this is our main thing. Now let's try to do it. Now what I want to do it is, so first of all, so if you try to see here in our button section, so you will be able to see a checkbox. Before that, what I want to do, I want to add a text view to here. Okay, let's try to add check view, and here what I would be trying to do it is, so here let's try to add it like this, and this one let's go to the attributes, and here the ID I want to give it is an gender text view. Okay, this is the name which I would be trying to give it. So here, now let's try to give it the 300 dp. I want to do it, and I want to move this one. Okay, let's try to keep it like this, and layout height also I want to give it around 550 dp. Okay, and the another one which I would be trying to give it is for this one only. So here I will be trying to make it as a center. So here also I will make it as a center. So this is the center. Okay, so this is the center. So right now it is in the center. Next, what I want to do it is, so here I have given this one, all right. Now let's try to go to the gravity for this one. So gravity, I want to make this one also as center, the content. Oh, sorry. So here in this gravity, I want to make the content also center. Fine. And the another one which I want to take it is the text, regarding the text. So here I will try to add it. What is your gender? What is your gender? So here I will ask you, I will ask this one a question, what is your gender? And I want to make this text style as something around 16. So here I want to make this as a bold, and here I want to change the text color to the uh, white. So let's try to take it as a white, and I want to give the background color for this one as red color or something like this. Background color to let's try to take this background color to red. Okay, let's try to take it like this. Now I want to add the two text for this one, two check boxes. So here I will add one checkbox. Okay, so another one which I want to add it is then another checkbox. Okay, so which I will be trying to do it, and here, so I will try to do this thing, and here also. So what I will be trying to do it is, so here let's try to do this one. Yeah, here I will use the text for this one is mail, and here I will use mail checkbox. Okay, mail checkbox. So this is the name which I would be trying to use it, mail checkbox, and refactor it. Yeah, here for this one, what I will be trying to do it is, so this one is female checkbox. Okay, so this one is the name, and here this one is the mail checkbox. Now here I would try to give the name as female. That's it. Okay, so I don't want to take too much. So here these are the two things which I would be trying to do it. Fine. Now whenever I select this one, so automatically it should select, you selected male. If I select this one, you selected female, it needs to do it. Let's move on to the code. So I'll be moving on to the code. So what we will be trying to do is, first of all, let's try to take the checkboxes and also the text view. So private late init where, so gender text view, sorry, text view of type text view. Oh, sorry. text view, and here I will use private late init where, so here mail checkbox, I will use it as an checkbox. Fine. And here private late init where female checkbox of type checkbox. So fine. So these are all I have created. So here I will try to use gender text view is equal to find view by id of or dot id dot gender text view. Okay. And here this one is male checkbox is equal to find view by id of, here if you want you can use the checkbox here, or dot id dot male checkbox. Okay, so you can use it like this. And the last one is the female checkbox is equal to find view by id of, I can use box of or dot id dot female checkbox. Okay, so here male checkbox dot set on click listener. So now here if male checkbox dot is checked is there, then what I can do, so then I can change the gender text view dot text is equal to you selected male. I can use it directly like this. And if you want to check it, means then female checkbox dot set on click listener. So here if female checkbox dot is checked is there, then I would be trying to do gender text view dot text is equal to you selected female. Okay, these are the two things, which I want to tell you. So here finished, right? So let's try to see the output, how it will look like. So I want to check the output up to now here, how it will look like. So now here we got this one, right? So if I select this one, so you are able to see you selected male. If I select this one, you are able to see you selected female. So now we got the message you selected female. So now here the two checkbox is getting selected, but we need to make only one checkbox selected. So for this one, what I can do here, so when the checkbox selected, so I can make the female checkbox dot is checked as false. Okay, and in the same scenario here I can make male checkbox dot is checked as false. So that's it. So now let's try to rerun this one again. Okay, so I'll be rerunning this one again. Now if I click on this one, okay, if I click on this one, so now we are able to get it. Now if I click on again female, so here still it is telling that you selected female, but here it needs to go back to the message that is nothing but what is your gender. So for this one, what I can do here, I can use the else part. So here I can write gender text view dot text is equal to what is your gender. I can use it something like this. Okay, in the same scenario you can take this one, and here also you can write it. Now if you try to check the output, so let's see how it will look like. Try to see here, if I click on this one, so what is your mail, and here you'll be able to see. And if I remove this one, see here it is going back again. So if I click here, it is going back again. So this is how you will be making sure how the checkbox works. That's it guys about the checkbox concept. So hope you understood about this concept, checkbox thing. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.